Complete guide. How to unlock a local account in Windows 10. Whether it's a forgotten password, too many failed login attempts, or administrator-imposed restrictions, getting locked out can be frustrating, especially when important files are just out of reach. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step-by-step guide for Windows 10 account recovery. Before unlocking your account, first confirm that it's actually locked, not simply a wrong password or a disabled account. Check if the account is linked to a Microsoft account for recovery options, and see if you have access to another administrator account. This will make the process easier, though there are alternative solutions. If another admin account is available on the device, log in to that admin account. Open the control panel from the search bar. Go to User Account, Manage another account, select the locked account, then choose Change the password or Remove password. Set a new password or remove it, then try logging into the locked account. Safe mode helps fix account issues with only the essential system features. To access it, restart your PC and press F8 or Shift plus F8 repeatedly during startup. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, then click Restart. After your PC restarts, choose Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Once it loads, use the command prompt to reset your password or unlock the account. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and enter these commands. This command shows all user accounts. This command unlocks the account. This command sets a new password. Replace username with the locked account's name and new password with your chosen password. Resetting by using a password reset disk. If you created a password reset disk beforehand, this is the easiest method and doesn't require admin access. Insert the reset disk into your computer. On the login screen, enter an incorrect password and click Reset Password when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a new password and regain account access. Enabling the built-in administrator account. Boot into safe mode with command prompt. Type netuseradministrator/active:yes. Restart your PC and log in to the administrator account. No password by default. Reset or unlock your account using the earlier steps. For security, disable the admin account after typing. netuseradministrator/active:"no". Troubleshooting locked local accounts in Windows 10. If you're still locked out, you can do the following. Ensure Windows is up to date. Some account issues are resolved with system updates. Restart your PC to refresh the system. Verify that your new password meets system complexity rules, like length or special character requirements. If your account is linked to a Microsoft account, go online to reset your password via Microsoft's website. Use a system restore point to return your PC to a time before the issue started. If nothing works, consider reaching out to Microsoft support. Unlocking a local account is simple when you have the right tools and steps to follow. For more information, check out our official blog post on unlocking a local account in Windows 10, linked in the description below.